Hey everyone, I wanted to hop on and show you what I got in this bag. It's just like things I needed that I was out of, and one thing is a new thing. So I'm going to unbox it with you, and the paper clip came off. So I was out of Glossy Gloss, and Glossy Gloss is to seal in your lip scents or a lip gloss just to wear on its own. And then I got the new release watermelon mini size watermelon lip gloss. I heard that it's scented, so it smells like watermelon. It comes in, sorry, this little hair is bugging me. There's a set. So watermelon is returning. It was in a bigger size glass, but now it's in a mini. So it comes with watermelon, strawberry kiwi, and guava coconut, and they're $15 each. The gloss is $20. So, and we have all sorts of lip glosses, lip scents, lip glosses, and I will put a link down below so that you can shop any lip gloss or the watermelon or the set. I don't remember what it's called. I'm drawing a blank. So I'm going to go off camera. It comes with these little candies and a sample of the moisturizing lip balm. So I love these little orders from my friends because they sneak in stuff that you wouldn't think that you would get, and you are surprised. I put Root Touch Up and in my hair, and I haven't done that for a long time, but turned out really good. But I will put a link down below so that you can shop this, and once you click on that link, it's going to take you to another page where it says my distributor's name. That is totally fine. At the top, you scroll down to shop now. Click on that. It comes up with all these bubbles. These things are in the circle lips. You click that, you purchase whatever you want, then you go to checkout, and right before you click on that checkout button, there's a little box. You click that. It gives you 10% off all your purchases all year round. Yeah, it's like an amazing deal. And that's how I get credit. That's how you can support me and support my page. But you have to click that little box for me to get credit and for you to get the 10% off all your purchases all year round. So that's like if Synergens is having a scale on lip scents, or sale, I can't even talk right, lots of bloopers today, a sale on lip scents for 15% off. If you sign up and you use my link, you would get an extra 10% off that a normal person that just gets 15% off, you would get the extra 10% off. So it would give you a total of 25% off your purchase. So, and by you signing up, clicking that box, if you spend $100 up front, you get free shipping, free samples, your products. Spend $150, you get free samples, your products, and a free gift. We don't know what that is. Just like you'll be surprised. So yeah, it's like a win-win, but you have to click that button for me to get credit. And all of our lip glosses have shea butter and vitamin E. So they are going to hydrate and moisturize your lips, and they are wax free. There's no wax in them. And let me tell you, I have learned that, I don't know about now, but like, excuse me, can't even talk right. Years ago, like regular drugstore that you buy the chapstick, you would have to keep reapplying. You want to know why? Because there's wax in there. And like, it is not, like, that's why you have to keep reapplying it, because it has wax in it. So these don't. So the mini size lip glosses are $15, 15 to 19, and the regular size is 20. So I'm going to go off camera and come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I am back, and I am going to open this up. It has a sticker that says thank you on it. Let's see the opening. And our lip glosses are, they don't have any lead in them. They're gluten-free, made, all of our products are made in the US. So this is just a clear, glossy gloss. You can actually wear it, like, yeah. So, and I just got an email, it popped up, but a while back, Synergens came. We do have a hair care line, and they came out with dry shampoo. You can purchase that through my link. It's $35. There is no residue like white, and it's for all types of hair. That's what they have told us. So I kind of want to get my hands on that. So this is what the mini size looks like compared to the regular size. The mini size is the size of a Shadow Sense. So, and there's some candy, and then this moisturizing lip balm. I'm kind of excited to try this. So, because we have regular lip balm, and then we have tinted ones, and the most, like, fragile thing that needs to be taken care on your face, skincare wise, is your lips. I did not know that. So, yeah, so this is what I got. Just simple, easy, and I will do a tutorial on this coming up. So, yeah, I am just kind of all over the place this week and the coming weeks. I did start up again working out and going to doctor appointments and my health coach, and just everything is like this week almost every day except for today. I actually had an appointment today, but we had to cancel it because it was conflicting with another appointment tomorrow I had. And so, yeah, today is like the one day I can sit down and pre-record videos for you guys. So, and by the way, I've noticed that there are some new subscribers. Welcome. I'm very thankful that you guys have hopped on my channel and checked me out. Please stick around because this is my passion. This is what I love to do. I love helping and bringing joy to people and being kind, and it's all about being happy, what you love, bringing joy, like all of that. So please be kind in your words. If you have not checked out my short videos, please do that. I also do real videos and more stuff over on my Instagram account, which there's a link in my About page on YouTube. You can check it out and follow me there, because I do a lot more over there than I do here during the week. But I've upped my game and started doing kind of more over here than Instagram, so it's a win-win. So, but this is what I love to do. I love bringing joy and beauty to people and helping people out. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.